it started with your Instagram post, and I had a long time dream to visit Kavini.
For me, I saw Shashank Birla's post on Facebook about crowdfunding for the live safari events.
I was actually very claustrophobic and I was just not okay. So that is why I started off with something which had to be done.
गालीबोरी नेचर के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. जो नेचर लवर्स है उसके लिए तो बेस्ट जगह है.
I always love places where there is water body. So backwaters of Kaveri, I suppose, and it's very nice, neat, clean water.
कबिनी तो ऑसम. उसका जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसका कोई जवाब नहीं है. मैंने अभी तक जितनी भी प्रॉपर्टी देखी है, अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखी. इट्स अ रियल रॉयल प्रॉपर्टी.
A1 property. Everything is well managed, right from catering to room service, and everything is taken well care of us.
Sail safaris are run professionally.
Whenever you go on bird watching or wildlife safaris, the one thing that you really need is a very professional and caring guide. And here both Galibor and this place, that role is taken care of by the driver, come guide, come tourist, come the nature tracker himself. So they were very good. They had tremendous knowledge, and they made it a point to take you there and go and see the nature, be with the nature. They were very enthusiastic about it.
Wild dog. I'm not sure exactly what they were trying to do, whether they were trying to teach their young or whether they were actually, getting to hunt one of those deer. But it was a very good experience. And compared to wild dogs in Kana, I think these guys are very beautiful. उसका coat तो इतना glossy, इतना shining, उसका bushy tail.
And the way they were interacting with each other also while near the river, the water body, not the river, the water body, that was also very interesting.
I've been on trips with other people also, but there is one thing which really stands out from other people with respect to you, and that is, you are not aloof. You are not a teacher. You let the people be. You give them their space, because at the end of the day, it is their holiday also, because they want to get away from the routine, as well as do those activities which they are interested in. So I think that is a big plus, and I think you should never change that. And I think you organize your trips in such a way that people have some time to relax and just be themselves. It's not as if अगर सवेरे से लेके शाम तक कुछ भी activities करो, तो it's never a good idea.
What I realized is Shashank's last minute management also is exceptional. There were some problems just before the tour started, and Shashank very coolly managed to resolve all those problems. He gave wonderful alternatives and managed them so well in such a short time. He is very enthusiastic, and for such kind of safari tours, somebody who really loves nature is essential for organizing them.
ये मेरी पहली टाइगर साइटिंग थी। आज तक मैंने टाइगर कभी जंगल में नहीं देखा था और ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था, तो इसलिए मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड था। और जब वो मिल गया तो इतना मज़ा आ गया। थैंक्स टू शशांक।
We had done 5 safaris. Today is the last day. We were checking out, and Kabini, one of the most famous places in India for sightings. We have had 5 safaris. Unfortunately, not a single big cat sighting. And then in our last safari, sheer magic. What an amazing sighting of a tigress that we saw. She walked so royally in some beautiful morning light. I am so happy that finally our group members have got an amazing sighting of this legendary big cat. That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.